In response to recent public outcry over the detention of minors, an expert is advocating for urgent reforms to the Child Rights Act, which was enacted in 2003. At a workshop in Abuja on November 11, 2024, Professor Ayodele Asenuwa, in a lecture titled "The Child Justice System in Nigeria," said there are lapses to the full implementation of the Act, despite its provisions for a specialized child justice system. Asenuwa stressed that while the law permits children involved in criminal cases to appear in court, it mandates that such cases be handled by specialized family courts, a provision that remains largely unfulfilled. She urged stakeholders to address the gaps and ensure that children's rights are adequately protected, warning that the absence of these specialized courts threatens the Act's original intent.
The idea of the law is that we should have a separate and autonomous child justice system. Unfortunately, that whole structure, system, is yet to be fully put in place in all our jurisdictions, and that creates challenges. So it is not exactly correct that a child who has committed an offense may not be brought before the court. The law allows the child to be brought to court. What the law says is that in every jurisdiction, there should be a special court. There should be a special court. The name that the law gives to it is the family court. I would have wished that that was not the name, because it gives that impression that it is only matters relating to the family, matters relating to adoption, guardianship, divorce, and all of the guardianship, custody. But no, the law expects that court should take care of the treatment of offenders. The law, the incident that has happened is we now need to take the child justice system very seriously and make sure that we have the structures in place. It's 20 years since that act was passed, and it is pretty unfortunate that some of the structures that is expected to be in place under the system that it creates are not there.
Earlier at the workshop, the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, announced reforms to enhance professionalism and ethical conduct within the police force. He expressed commitment to child-friendly policing practice and pledged to establish new detective colleges to improve training standards.
Child-friendly policing is essential to modern law enforcement practices. Every interaction with our child, whether as a victim, witness, or even an offender, must be carried out with sensitivity and professionalism. To implement this, we are introducing a comprehensive child-friendly policing framework that mandates specialized training for officers who engage with minors. This framework will include trauma-informed investigative techniques, emphasizing the importance of non-intimidating environments, respectful communication, and psychological support. By adopting these child-sensitive approaches, we are ensuring that minors are not subjected to further trauma during police investigations, while fostering an environment that encourages them to cooperate with law enforcement.
This initiative aims to foster integrity and accountability within Nigeria's investigative units, ensuring more trustworthy and effective policing in the country. Vincent Okushi, QTV News, Nigeria.